true self be. A dance of notes, a tangled breeze, life sways in asters, melodies, each bowing string, a tender plea, unveiling depths of mystery. The tides of doubt, they ebb and flow, but in their wake new truths will grow. A voice within, it softly hums, a hymn of all that you've become. Epiphany, a fleeting flame, a spark that sets the soul aflame. Through equanimity, we see the boundless grace of true self be.